3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Oh, yo, we're on. Yep. There we go. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, double hookup. I've got 2 fish on. Oh, no, I don't. First fish for a little while. Come to this spot here. First drift, first fish, little snapper. Geez, they're not real big, at the moment. I think this is gonna have to do. Don't want to be out here all day. You come home with me, butter? What do you reckon? Yeah, she'll come home. Start keeping my fish now. Whoa, are we on over here? Yeah, we're on. We are on. It's just sitting there. Another one. There we go. Must have found the honey hole, eh? Another one, he's only just hooked. Yeah, they're not real big, like they're legal, but they're not stonkers. Whoa, we're on again. Oh, jeez. Yeah, hit the honey hole right. Here we go. That's 3 fish in a matter of bloody couple of minutes. Love it. Nothing all day and then boom. Oh, this one feels a bit bigger. Hopefully he is. No, he's not. He's not bigger at all. Ah, he's gut hooked, that's why. Oh no, I don't have my thing. Mate. Spit my sinker out. Gonna have to let this one go, but hopefully I'll measure him. I might be able to keep him. He looks just legal. He's just legal. Yeah, I'll just keep him. Bloody hell. If he wasn't gut hooked, I'd probably let that one go, but now let's just try again. No, let all these fish go. They're just legal, like they're alright, but This one is alright. Nah, let them all go. They're pretty small, like they're legal, but I really want a bigger one today. 2, 3. There we go. I hope that one's gonna make it. I'll keep an eye on him. I might have to keep that one. I'll keep that one. The other 2 made it. I'll go back and get him. Man, can you imagine living in one of these places here? Look at this. Prime, eh? These guys have like the nicest view every day. It's unreal. Oh, we're getting a bite here too. Man, if I lived here, I'd be fishing off the beach every day. Oh, yo! Yep. Oi! Oh, it's a good one, boys. Nice. It's happening for me now. Beautiful. Bit of patience pays off, hey? Been out here all afternoon. Let a fair few small ones go today. In search of the bigger ones. And I think it's paying off, hey? Yeah, this is a nicer one. Beautiful. Very nice. Oh, come on. Yep. Ah, there we go, boys. Ah, I'm happy. My happy face is on. There we go. Number 2 for the bin. I almost had to keep one earlier. I went to go pick it back up. That one that was floating on the surface. Went to go grab it and he just swam back down, so he ended up being all right. So this is number 2 for the bin. Beautiful. GoPro, start recording. Oh, yo, yo, yo. We're on. Yep. Another one, boys. We're on to another one. There we go. This one feels a little bit smaller, actually. It's not fighting near as hard as the other 2. Yeah, he's a lot smaller. That's all right. Still a bit of fun. Still a little bit of fun. While we wait for the big dogs. You can go out that way. There we go. Oh, whoa. We're on this one now. Yep. One after another is always good. Yep, beautiful. Love it. Jeez, he put up a fight, didn't he? But for a little fella, he put up a fight. You can go back home too. Tell your auntie, and your uncle to come aboard. I mean, he's still legal, but so were all the other fish I got today. This one's getting a bite already. I'll chuck this out quickly. Let's see what's going on with this one. He's biting, but he's not hooked up yet, so we'll just wait for a minute. It's always like that, eh? Not much action, and then all of a sudden, just all the actions. I don't know if you guys can see these birds directly behind our boat, maybe 300 meters away, maybe a little bit further. They've been there for about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes now, maybe longer. And they've been diving every so often, so there must be some bait there. Yep. What do you reckon? Do you reckon he's on? Maybe he's just... Yeah, we got something, I think. He's just really small. Yeah, he's really small. Far out. Tiny. Oppa! So I'm just throwing it out there, but if one of you guys, maybe two, would like to come fishing with me one day, let me know. Let me know if you're keen, and I might take one or two of you guys out sometime. It has to be soon because I'm gonna sell my boat probably at the end of May. So if one of you guys want to come out soon, let me know. Yeah, we'll tee up a time. We'll just make it happen, eh? But yeah, let us know soon, eh? Because I will sell my boat, and I'm moving back to Australia. So, you know, if you guys want to have a fish with me before I go back, let's do it. Let's go. It'll be fun. We'll make a video together. Let us know. Oh, this one. Oh, yep. That's. Is that on? Yep, that's on. It's just not real big. Come on, where'd you big guys go? Small fry. Just a smallie. Oppa! We got one here. He's a keeper. Yeah, we'll keep this one. He's not huge, but he's been bigger than the rest. Rest of the small ones, I should say. He'll come home. I'm ready to go home, so he's coming home. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Go down. Whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, here we go. On already. Just trying to turn my GoPro off. Next minute we're on a fish, so it's all good. Oh, this one feels like another good one. Oh, yep. Yep, this one's a good one. Oh, yes, he's a good one. Haha. Come on, mate. Oh, oh, there we go, boys. Another nice one. I think that's number 4 for the bin. So another 3 and we'll go home. Here we go. Oppa. Yo, 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 yo. Yep. We're on. We're on, boys. Another nice one. The big ones are coming back in. Here we go. Here we go. Another nice one on here. Oh, yep. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. Oh, bites on this one. Is he on? Oh, calm down, mate. There's a bite on this one too. Here we go, come on. Yep, 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 that's it, that's it. Nah, he's just a small one. This rod seems to be getting the small ones today. Yeah, nothing worth calling home about at all. Oh, come here. Tiny, eh? Three, two, yeah! Oh, yo, 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 yep. Run, run. Yep. Oh, oh, that's what we're after. Oh, this one had a bite too then. Oh. Oh, beautiful. Yep. Oh. Jeez, he's swimming hard. There we go. I think that's number 6. One more to go, boys. We're going lucky last one. Oh. Well, we're getting a bite here. But I just want to say thanks for your support, guys. Everyone that has subscribed to me, everyone that likes my videos, gives me a thumbs up, really appreciate it. And yeah, if you want to come out for a fish, let me know. I'd love to tee something up with 1 or 2 of you guys, or girls. Let me know. But yeah, thanks for everything. Thanks for the support. Hope you like this video as well. Give us a thumbs up, and if you can share my video, that'd be great. That'd be awesome. We've got a bite here, so I'm gonna have to put this down. I think we might be on. You might be on. We'll have a look. Yeah, I think he's on. Yep, he's on. All right. Oh, a little bit of bait fish at the back of the boat here. Not sure what they are. Yeah, this rod keeps getting the small ones, eh? I mean, he's all right. He's a keeper for sure, but you know, our last one, we want to get a big one, eh, for our last one. So we've got to go out with a bang. 3, 2, 1. Can't believe that worked. Here we go, boys. Another one. Oh, it's a gurney. It's a gurney. No, sweet as. Oh, that's more than welcome on my boat. The water must be getting colder, eh? Need some gurners. Bad for this rod, bro. Oh, this might be us, boys. Might be the last snap for the day. Up to Papa. Ah, it's not bad. I don't know if I want it to be my last snapper. What do you reckon? One more, eh? We've got one more in us. Let's let this go. Do another try. Bah! He's pretty good though. He's still in his like 30s. 30 something. High 30s. Close to the boat. See what it is, eh? Might be right. He's alright. He's going home. It's not what we're after. Right. You're in the wrong category. But lucky for you, you're in the right category. You would have thought being too small is one thing. This is it. This is the one. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, feels like it. Feels like the big one we're after. The finale fish. At the end of the day. Definitely, definitely. This is the one. Just got to get him in. Oh, yep. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. Give us a thumbs up if you have. Oh, yep, he's all right. He's good. He's coming home. This is us, boys. I'll show you real quick. Yep. Ah, there we go. Ah, that's the finale fish. That's the end of it. Thanks, guys. Let's sort him out. The birds have disappeared from behind the boat, so I'm not going to trawl anymore. I was going to go try get some kahawai, but they've disappeared, so that's all good. I'm going to call it a day. Now I'll show you guys the catch of the day. It's actually pretty good, so yeah, have a look. It's not bad for a one-man army. Some really good sized snappers. Look at this. This is our biggest one here. A few mullet. I used a couple of mullet as well for bait, so yeah, it was a good day. It was a real good day. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I had a really good day today. Going up into the harbour, catching the mullet with the net. Yeah, we had good success in the end. Took a few spots to try and find them, but yeah, we got them in the end, and then we come back out into the harbour and got the snappers, so it's all good. It was a good day for me. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share my channel if you can. Really appreciate it, guys. As always, take care and God bless. Bye.